Hello techies, welcome to our channel Dubai Tech Hub. First of all, thank you so much for your support on our previous videos. Today we are going to continue our RTA theory questions in the part 2 video.
If you haven't watched the part 1 video yet, please check the first pinned comment with the link. Check that after watching this video. Let's get into the video now.
Driving under the influence of alcohol is punishable by A. 24 black points plus AED 2400, B. 24 black points plus other fines, C. 24 black points plus fines by court.
In UAE, driving under the influence of alcohol is very big offense. So usually these kinds of offenses will be dealt by the court only. So you will be awarded with 24 black points as well as the fines declared by the court. So the option C will be the correct answer, 24 black points plus fines by the court.
At what speed should you travel on the road? A. At a speed shown on the speed limit signs. B. At least 10 km per hour below the speed limit signs. C. At a speed shown on a speed limit signs or slower depending on the road conditions.
Usually for these questions, as we know, the road conditions will not be stable always at all times. So for example, if there is wet weather or there is a rainy seasons, the roads will be slippery and of course you should go slower than the speed limit signs. And in summer seasons, the road will be very dry and sun will give you reflection on your eyes. So at that time also you may need more time to respond to the road hazards. So the correct answer is C. At the speed shown on the speed limit signs or slower depending on the road conditions. Always you should drive your car or vehicle depending on the road conditions only.
Just before you enter an intersection, the traffic signal turns red. What should you do? A. Slow down and check for vehicles on your left before you cross. B. Accelerate to get across the intersection quickly. C. Stop.
As we all know, the red signal means we should stop. So obviously not checking with other options, we should stop at red signal at all times. So there is no exception on this case. So option C will be the correct answer, stop.
How should you drive into a bend in the road? A. Accelerate a little. B. Slow down gradually. C. Continue at the same speed.
So usually bends are considered as a hazards in the road. In the bends you could not see the vehicles upcoming or you could not see what's behind the bend. So obviously we should slow down gradually before getting into the bend of the road. So the option B will be the correct answer, slow down gradually.
What is the speed limit in a residential area with single lane when there are no speed limit signs? A. 40 km per hour. B. 50 km per hour. C. 60 km per hour.
So usually in the residential area, the speed limit will be always 40 km per hour unless or until there is a school zone or something. So if there is a school zone, the speed limit may vary. Other than that, the normal speed limit in a residential area will be 40 km per hour only. So the option A, 40 km per hour is the correct answer.
There is a single white broken line painted in the center of a two-way road. Where must you drive? A. You must drive on the line. B. You must keep as close to the line as possible. C. You must keep to the right of the line.
In UAE, we have right side driving. So always we should drive right side in the road only. Whether it is a two-way road or multi-lane road, we should drive in the right side of the road only. So the answer C will be the correct answer. You must keep to the right of the line.
A red traffic light means A. You must stop and wait. B. Stop if safe to do so. C. You must stop unless turning right.
A red traffic light signal means we should stop. So this is what we have learned from our childhood days. So answer will be the option A. You must stop and wait. No need to make this more complicated with the definition. So red means stop. That's it. Keep it in mind always.
A yellow traffic light means that you must A. Stop immediately. B. Stop providing it is safe to do so. C. Speed up to get through the intersection before the light turns red.
Okay. Yellow light will turn on after the green light. So if the yellow light is turned on and you are approaching the intersection or any stop line, most probably you try to stop the vehicle if it is possible or if it is safe to do so, because we should respect other road users also, not harming others. So stop the vehicle if it is safe to do so, or if you passed the stop line already, so continue with your vehicle without stopping into the intersection. So the answer will be B, stop providing if it is safe to do so.
Pedestrians are using pedestrian lights to cross the road you are turning into. When must you give way to the pedestrians? A. Only when the pedestrian lights show a green working figure. B. Always. C. Never.
In the terms of pedestrians, when we are driving the car, pedestrians are the main hazard we should consider as among the road. So in the case of pedestrians, we should give always way to them nevertheless of the signal. So option B will be the correct answer. Always we should give way to the pedestrians at any time.
You are approaching a stop sign. When must you stop? A. Always, even if there is no other traffic. B. Only when there is other traffic approaching the intersection. C. Only when there is danger of a collision with other vehicle.
Stop sign should be considered as a red light always. So what we will be do when the red light is turned on, we will stop. So similarly, stop sign means stop. We should stop always, even if there is no traffic or no police, as we are doing in our own countries. So option A will be the correct answer. Always we should stop in the stop sign even if there is no other traffic also.
If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends preparing for the RTA UAE theory test. Don't forget to subscribe to Dubai Tech Hub for more helpful content. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Zafi signing off. Bye techies.